Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your reliable partner for smart, strategic, and legally sound business solutions. Today, we're talking about a critical document that plays a huge role in investments, partnerships, mergers, and acquisitions: the term sheet. If you're raising funds, entering a strategic alliance, or planning an acquisition, a well-drafted term sheet can make or break your deal. What is a term sheet and why it matters? So, what exactly is a term sheet? It's a non-binding document that outlines the key terms of a proposed business deal. While it's not legally enforceable like a full agreement, it sets the tone, defines expectations, and simplifies negotiations between all involved parties. Think of it as a bridge, connecting initial discussions to a legally binding contract. At Filings Corner, we help you draft clear, investor-ready term sheets that minimize risk, save time, and reflect your business strategy. Why you need a term sheet, explained for founders and investors. A term sheet is essential for multiple reasons. It starts by laying out the core terms of the deal, from valuation to equity structure, ensuring that everyone is on the same page before entering into binding agreements. By removing ambiguities early on, it helps reduce the risk of future disputes. It also makes the negotiation process faster and more efficient, saving time and legal expenses down the road. And for startups or companies seeking funding, a well-structured term sheet sends a strong message to investors, showing that you're prepared, transparent, and serious about the deal. What goes into a term sheet, spoken naturally? So, what exactly is included in a term sheet? First, we define the parties involved and clarify their roles and responsibilities. We then outline the valuation, both pre-money and post-money, and the proposed investment terms, including equity percentages and capital flow. Governance structures are also covered, things like board representation, investor voting rights, and protective provisions. We include clauses for confidentiality, non-compete, and non-solicitation, all of which protect the deal's sensitive information. And of course, we define clear exit strategies, whether that's an IPO, share buyback, or provisions like drag-along and tag-along rights. We also address the closing conditions, like due diligence, regulatory approvals, and compliance checks. Documents required to create a term sheet that holds up in negotiation will need a few key documents from you. This includes your company's latest financials, balance sheets, profit and loss statements, as well as a solid business plan covering projections, market strategy, and competitive analysis. We'll also review your legal documents like articles of association and any existing shareholder agreements. And finally, we assess your IP and tax compliance, including patents, trademarks, and recent tax filings. Don't worry. At Filings Corner, we guide you through each step. Why Filings Corner? Branding highlight. So why choose Filings Corner for your term sheet drafting? Because we go beyond basic documentation. Our team of expert chartered accountants, company secretaries, lawyers, and MBAs ensures your term sheet is not just legally sound, but also financially strategic and aligned with your long-term business goals. We bring legal insight, financial expertise, and risk management together in one place. And we support you all the way, from initial drafting to final execution. Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get your customized term sheet drafted by professionals who understand business like you do. Filings Corner, simplifying deals, securing growth. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more expert insights on funding, legal documentation, taxation, and business strategy.